Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you WorldRemit how to delete account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to delete your Remit account yourself, WorldRemit doesn't offer a button or private option in the app or website to delete your account yourself. To close or disable it, you must contact WorldRemit customer support and request it. So in order to do it, simply head over and open up your browser. On the search bar, what you need to do is simply type in worldremit.com. Then once you hit search, the WorldRemit page loads, and now here what you need to do is simply scroll all the way down until you find the option that says contact us, and then tap on it. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is once again scroll all the way down, and then you'll be provided with the number that you can call the agent and tell the support agent you want to close or delete your WorldRemit account. They may ask for verification for security purposes. Then once done, what you need to do is wait for confirmation. Support will confirm when your account has been disabled or closed. This means you will no longer be able to log in or use the account. Note that WorldRemit must legally keep transaction history and some information even after closure, so they cannot delete your past transaction. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.